Hi, this is Steve and Tara again from Melbourne Alarms and Monitoring. In this quick video we're going to show you how to replace the battery backup in the 880 panel. So you might need to do this, maybe every 5 or 6 or 7 years. The panel will tell you when the battery's low, and we'll demonstrate that in another video. But the procedure for changing the battery is what we'll cover now. So to do that, we need to take the lid from the off the control panel. So Tara's using a speed bit in a drill. Because these screws are so long, they're about 75mm long and a real tight thread. So you can do it if all you've got is a screwdriver, you can use a screwdriver, but we find it a lot easier to use this speed bit. Okay, so we take the lid off. That's it. Okay, now inside there's lots of wires and scary looking bits, but it's all very straightforward. That big black thing, if you just point to that tar, that's the battery there, and you can see that there's a red, and I'll just try and get above there so you can see there's a red and a black wire on there. So and they just push on load. So all we need to do is take those wires off. I'll just step back so Tara can do that. So we just pull those wires off. Now it's 12 volts DC. You're not going to get electrocuted or anything. Just be careful of all those wires up on the board there. You don't want to pull any of those out. You'll be in all sorts of trouble there. But to do the battery, just pull those lugs off. Get rid of the old battery. We've got a fresh battery there. And there's a couple of protective plastic lugs on top of the terminals. So we've just taken those off. Set the battery back in its spot. And then just push those terminals on again. So it's very important, of course, that black goes to black, red goes to red. You can't really muck anything else up. So there's no sirens, nothing like that. It's very, very straightforward. Now we've got a fresh battery in there. The next thing to do would be to go to the alarm panel and turn the alarm on and then off again to clear the fault that would have been displayed indicating that the battery was low. And then all we do is put the lid back on. So that's just the reverse of what we did before. Sit the lid in, put the screws on, and you're good to go.